Hello and welcome back to the video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a dessert topping to put on normal rice cakes. It's like a chocolate peanut butter frosting almost to put on this. So first thing you want to buy is just some Quaker lightly salted rice cakes. Any of them that are 35 calories or less. You can use any rice cakes that taste good with like a chocolate peanut butter. But I just got the Quakers, lightly salted. One cake, 35 calories. So not bad at all. I'm going to use 4 of them. In a mixing bowl, took some PB2 powdered peanut butter. 1 serving, 2 tablespoons, 13 grams, 60 calories. I did 26 grams of the PB2. Put it in a bowl. Next up, just find yourself any kind of chocolate. Whey protein will work. I just have Primeval Labs whey. It is chocolate peanut butter cookie. So this one, I just like the flavor of it. Tastes pretty good with it. I use a half serving or a half scoop. So any half scoop of your normal protein. This one has 150 calories per scoop, so depending on your protein powder that of choice, might have a little bit less, a little bit more. If you're using an isolate, it's going to have a lot less calories per scoop. This one does have 150 per scoop, so just depending on which one you're going to use, but use a chocolate. You'll mix the 2 in there, so like I said, 2 servings of this, 26 grams. You can use powdered peanut butter too. Generic, any kind of powdered peanut butter will work. Put those 2 in there. Instead of using water, what I'll be using is sugar-free chocolate syrup. And I'll be mixing 2 servings of this. So 1 serving is 31 grams, 10 calories. I'm going to be putting in 62 grams of this. So it'll be 20 calories we're at. Really gives it an extra chocolatey flavor here, and it comes out really nice and thicker than just putting water. So 62 grams. Get yourself, mix it together, and that amount right there mixes really well, makes it really thick enough to spread onto your rice cakes. It's almost like a chocolate frosting. But this really makes your plain rice cakes taste delicious. There you go. Mixes up pretty well. And then you're just going to spread on as much as you want on each one. But it'll coat each one pretty good. Also, if you want, cut up one of your favorite fruits and put it on here. Banana with chocolate, and anything you like with chocolate tastes pretty good. So I do have some raspberries that I made, that I washed off here. Just 2 ounces of raspberries. So I did add this into the macros when I'm breaking it down. So if you don't add any fruit, might be a little less calories. This is like a chocolate raspberry on here. Again, it's all your choice. You can really do anything that you want with these recipes. And you see 2 ounces. Covered 2 of them. I'm just going to cover 2. But there you go. Comes out pretty amazing. Tastes amazing. Low calories. Definitely a lot more protein than if you were just going to eat them regularly. So if you were going to make that exactly the same way that I did, and you still have a lot left over, it'll spread on the rest too. It would come out to 384 calories, 56.3 grams of carbs, 5.4 grams of fat, so very low fat, and 28.2 grams of protein. So definitely a lot of protein for only 400 calories, 7.7 grams of fiber in this. So again, thank you guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit the bell button to be notified of any new videos that come out. Please leave a comment if you enjoy these videos, and hit the thumbs up button if you're enjoying them too. So thank you guys again. Have a great day.